Okay, welcome guys. Today I will be. Oh yeah, sorry there's no intro today, but I am recording from an iPad that does not have the intro, and I cannot send the intro to the iPad, so there will be no intro for this video today. But there will be an intro when the computer arrives, okay? So, because it will look different when I record something, like a tutorial on it or something like that. So, or a gameplay or something like that. So, anyway, this is, so some of you use Microsoft Word, right? And some of you might not even know the Notepad or the WordPad that comes with a lot of the Windows. This comes with 3.1, 90, and 3.1, 95, 98, etc. Even today's Windows 8. So if you're using Windows 8, this will also work for you guys, the guys that just like Windows 8. So, anyway, well, personally, my opinion is I don't like Windows 8. So anyway, I will be demonstrating this on this app right here. It's gonna log me in real quick. Hold on. It's gonna log me in. See my email and my password. You won't see my password. It'll just be .du. And don't see my email. Okay, there you go. So if you're on something like this, for example, we will be using Windows 7 for this. The notification for all my stuff. So anyway, so if you have a subscription that just went down, it's expired and stuff, and you don't know how to get it back, let me show you how to do it. This works for people who use Microsoft Word only. So you're right, you cannot do this with PowerPoint or Excel. Be aware of it. You go to your start. Basically, mine is going to be touch and start. So yours is a tablet PC, like my desktop is. Something's happening with the. What's that? Gonna hit start. Nothing's working here today. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but the online desktop was a little bit off the side, just like some of the smartphones of the school was today. Yeah, it really happened. So we are gonna do the other app that can also run the Windows 7. So I'll actually explain this here. Yeah, I'm cool. So I will be explaining this right here. So I'll explain it again, obviously. So some of you know some of you guys use Microsoft Word. So my friend Blood EXP also uses Microsoft Word normally. So, and the subscription had ended for, yeah, you know. So if you're in a computer like this, mine just has a Citrix background with the Windows 7 taskbar, the Windows 7 version of the classic theme, which is so Arrow version of the classic theme. So as you can see, some people, if they go to Microsoft Word now, they'll just be presented with your subscription has expired. This might happen on a lot of 2013 versions of Microsoft Word, It's also compatible with Windows 7. You know that. So there is a simple way to work it out without downloading anything on your computer. Even if you're on Citrix right here. Which probably won't have a subscription stuff, but it'll work. So you guys have a mouse like this. So go into your start. You might see a little bit some iOS 7, iOS 6 background checks for the installation. So go to all programs. Go to accessories. If you're on Windows 8, go to Windows accessories. If you're on Windows Windows Media Player. Let's try to go to start. All programs. Programs if you're on Windows 95 or 98 or 2001 edition or XP with the classic start menu. Go to accessories. You'll find both document editors. Notepad, which is a simple text editor, and WordPad, which is you don't need a subscription at all to use it. It's called WordPad. It's a no subscription needed version of Microsoft Word 2010. Now this is a 2010 version to be made like it's the Microsoft Word 2010. So if you're not used to the 2010 interface, you are gonna have to rerun it. It has stuff like fonts and like font size and these options. You got color and the paragraph, the font, clipboards section, the font section, the paragraph section, the insert section, any editing section. This is what it looks like when you maximize it. It will fit the whole thing almost. Fits the whole thing in one of the sizes. If you go to the View tab, you will get the section Zoom, Show or Hide, and Settings. There's only 2 settings. So go to this blue thing, and it will show something similar to the Microsoft Word dialog right here. Except it is not like the 2013 one as we expected it, as some new users expected. With this, let's see if I can put it portrait. Oh yes, I can put a portrait. I didn't know that. Well, let's just put it back there just for the sake of it. I'm gonna put that down. Just gonna maximize that. Okay? So this is a pretty cool feature to use. For some people who are like, Microsoft Word's I'm getting into Microsoft Word because it's so hard. I want to use something easy. Well, this is the chance for you guys. Those are for the WordPad is for people who are subscriptions ended and they can't get their subscription back. Go to your mouse, click Start, and Notepad if it's already pinned to your store. So then this is the basic Notepad. This has been in here since Windows 1.0. So it's been here for the whole Windows cycle. So this is a file where you get all your things. Mine doesn't have the highlight feature, which that isn't cool, but you just like Classic, you didn't have the highlight features, but look at that. It's Windows. Next we got the Ed section, which this is the Ed section. And WordPad, you can have this back then. But except you got a menu. Which is pretty cool. Format section only has 2 stuff. View section, just like in WordPad. It's just status bar. Status bar allows you to see how many things you entered. Which is pretty cool for this feature. And help shows you viewed help and about Notepad. So
since this is Windows Server 2008 R2 Standard, even though it's really Windows 7. It's basically thinking that it's a server, Windows Server, because a server version of Windows Vista, when it's actually a server version of Windows 7, when it's actually the real Windows 7. So it says it's 6.1, just like Windows 7 would. I think Windows 7 would do that. No, Windows 8 does that. I don't know why. HD, don't save. And I did some kind of times
Date thing.
And that's how you get your documents back. Now, beware. I don't know if you can really do this in old Word documents, but if you're using WordPad, definitely it will work. You can still do the same things that you would normally do. If your subscription expired in Windows 95, /98, you will still be able to use WordPad and Notepad just like all the Windows. So, but 3.1, it was called Write. So, thanks for watching.